Hi guys, good morning. So actually it's already 5:30 in the morning and actually right now kakain na ako ng tinapay, bread, and coffee. Well, I think guys, actually nanonood ako ng motivational video. Wow! Yan. Okay. Actually guys, kakatapos ko lang kumain guys, and actually I'm heading to my next schedule. Please guys watch this video until the end because I'll give you 5 tips on how to step up on life and in achieving our dreams. So before I'll pray my rosary, I just want to give you my first advice. My first advice is God first. So especially guys in everything you do, always pray to God so that you'll be guided always and you can do everything in a smooth way. And most especially guys, always trust and always follow the holy way of God because God knows everything. He knows what's best for us. And actually guys, I noticed that many successful people actually they always pray. That's what the secret why they are successful right now. So my first advice is always pray to God. So follow His holy will because God knows everything. So guys, I'm done praying my rosary and let's go to my next schedule. And right now guys, before I'll do my next schedule, which is to read books and to read the spiritual books, actually I just want to give you my second advice. So my second tip guys is dream big. So if we want to be successful in life, we must have a dreams and not just a dream but big dreams, because many successful people guys, they are not contented with their small dreams, but they take risks in order to achieve their big dreams in life. And guys, if you really want to achieve your goals in life, you must find ways and means to achieve it. And most especially guys, as what I said, if there's a will, there's a way. So my next schedule is to read motivational books and most especially spiritual books. So I have here spiritual books. One is the story of Alexia. She will be soon beatified. This is a good story guys of a young girl who is battling for cancer. Yes, I'm not done yet reading this one, so I'm still reading this. And also guys, I have books here about English grammar. So I have here English grammar. This book guys, I bought this one to enhance my English speaking. This one. So this is all about grammar. Yes, and this one guys, how to speak English easily. So yan, basic steps on how to speak in English easily. So I bought these books in Pandayan. Actually guys, this book really helps a lot. And the other book that I'll read today is this one guys, the book of John Maxwell, How Successful People Think. This actually guys, it's a Taglish book, and one thing that I've learned here is how to be a creative thinker. Yes guys, so I'm already in the half page. So kunti na lang guys, matatapos na. And actually guys, I have 2 books here. I am done reading this. I am done reading these books guys. And this book guys is all about financial literacy, which is this is the book of IMG. What I learned here is all about how to save money, how to invest, and how to build your asset. The other one is The Moment of Truth, Facing the Challenge. This book guys is the book of Xuan Nguyen. What I learned here is how to build a business by having a powerful system. Hi guys, welcome back. So right now I'll give you the third tip on how to step up in life. Number three is follow your passion. What does it mean to follow your passion? Following your passion means exploring areas that spark your interest, developing your skills in a specific area, and using those skills to contribute to something beyond yourself. So right now guys, actually I'm having my breakfast, and while having my breakfast I'm actually watching a motivational video. This is actually Robert Kiyosaki. He's one of the greatest author and one of the great influencer when it comes to investment and when it comes to business.
Read Rich Dad Poor Dad, this is the difference. How do you get over to this side here? Starts with this here.
Hi guys, so right now I'll give you the fourth tip. So the fourth is always be humble and grateful. One of the best attitude most successful people has is humility. So especially guys when you already achieve your goals in life, so it's better to remain humble always. And being grateful is also one of the best trait most successful people have. You always appreciate everything you have, whether it's small or big things or accomplishments. The more you appreciate something, the more blessings will come. Before I'll give my last advice, so actually guys, right now I'll need to prepare first for our Zoom meeting, because right now I'll be attending a financial seminar. Actually it's already 9:45, so our meeting will be at 10. So right now I need to prepare myself. So right now guys, I need to register for our Zoom meeting. So guys, actually guys, if you want to know about financial literacy or on how, especially on how to invest and save money, just click the link in the description and watch it guys, because that is all about financial literacy. Yes, or you can message me guys. So guys, so we are done with our financial seminar, and actually guys, I learned a lot. So guys, so before eating my lunch, I will give you my fifth advice. My fifth advice is share your blessings. One of the best trait of most successful people guys is being kind and generous. It is really a good practice guys that we share what we have to other people, whether it is material things, food, money, or your time. Believe that the more you give, the more blessings you receive. Right now guys, it's already lunchtime, so tara kain tayo. If you want to level up your life guys, one of my suggestion is you need to read more books, especially guys success related books, especially in business and financial, and most especially guys self improvement books. So there are a lot of blogs in YouTube and in Google guys, there are a lot of articles that you can search for you to improve yourself. So guys, so tapos na ako magbasa ng libro, and also tapos na ako magsulat ng journal. So actually, binabasa kong libro ay yung libro ni John Maxwell, How Successful People Think. So this is a good book guys, and actually this is my journal guys. So ito yung aking journal. So I wrote here my schedule, my plans, and my goals, and most especially my daily experiences in life. Yes. free time, so I will play a guitar. So actually guys, hindi talaga ako marunong gitara, pero actually this guitar is from my staff, and actually hindi talaga ako marunong gitara, pero ngayon magpo-practice ako paano mag-play ng guitar. Let's go.
This is Brian Wall with worshiptutorials.com and brianwallmusic.com. Today we're going to learn how to play our first chord.
So guys, so actually na-realize ko hindi pala ganun kadali mag-gitara. So actually guys, so nagko-practice pa lang talaga ako mag-gitara. So sana matutunan ko mag-play ng guitar. Kasi guys, ang isa sa gusto ko ay matutong mag-gitara talaga.